Juma inti Juma Mubarak, Juma Karim, and from Mobia or Kasafini, and also a big one, Oboshi Payon Commander, National Chief Imam, Dr. Sheikh Usman Nu Sharubutu, a Chanupa, and Fadama for Ninya, the Chair Juma Mubarak, Juma Karim, and from Mobia. But and I do Friday, say, Yamubi on say Friday.
Exactly.
Inti, so what in a fear, or there for BBI Sharadansa. Enti Allahumma naka fum karimu tuyibuna fum fafuana Allahumma naka fum karimu tuyibuna fum fafuana bibi abiye yama
ami
enti go back straight
come kai bari alaji ye ize sawo oto kokokura benyeska so
kofa
Rama interesting anyway mabinti okubaja
kakra on Lionel Messi issue no ni papa to say ni papa the release bia babonten say player no ni ba no ebetimi akọ on free without say any team betimi atwa 700 million pounds and quoted down or say it's not applicant meaning it is not relevant and not appropriate for any team to pay that 700 million pounds but say assistance no ni papa na akasa enti ye twen the main figure Lionel Messi no to comment enti the report by say Lionel Messi so didn't release beba no be pie abekasa if some pie because Saula Balo and Abuha started ba Lionel Messi Barcelona Batumio ninya Lionel Messi is here to talk one kasa yene him so ya Bema and this is the time other players na kasa so this is the time for him to clear the hair because onu no betima kasa or kasa na ejuma but the football fraternity of Barcelona and Kasa on person on tina but we are Barcelona fan one Kasa if say on tina si na bisa on say fine say Lionel Messi bet me and I bet na club no for the next season and I say on because we share 33 years of age and we share most of revenue and scar Barcelona say no under review no season under review no dudro na eko your friend say Lionel Messi both in terms of salary and also bonuses at the end of the season dudro na eko your friend say Lionel Messi and also ko Barcelona team no ankasa financial crisis ankasa hit omo so we show winning 33 years of age why be brave e dey am Barcelona so this is the time for him for me I think this is the time for him to move away but I quite remember, even prior to this Buha of Lionel Messi and your friend in Batumio, I was saying, sir, this is the time for Barcelona to build team with that Lionel Messi. If someone build the team because that Lionel Messi 2004, 2005, Obama de my friend in Barcelona no, Cecilia and you no more. We share even Madrid. Edu Tambi, Omama, your friend in Cristiano Ronaldo Ekoe for them to build a different team with a different players, a different personnel within the team. Now your friend in team Nanya a fresh, your friend in brief. And we share Barcelona the same need to have because we share Xavi Koye. Iniesta Koye. We share the main characters near do Tambi, Omonina Koye. So for Lionel Messi, this is the time for him. But a day Yapama Lionel Messi is not living on the right note. We share even Cristiano Ronaldo, Becas are not on the right note, but it is quite good comparing to Lionel Messi. For me, I think you need to do something and then clear the hair to know whether I say Tina or no. So we are here to wait for your friend Lionel Messi or your Bema if some peer non clear the straightforward FC Barcelona. The Raman and so you know Messi everybana Wabekasa. I think say when Papa I suggest Onya would check a crowd because maybe I could know do legal issues and we need a legal man to do the I mean the interpretation properly ahead the Amaya what they say because clauses are our contract mono I know they but maybe a meeting me so as sports and training no me teacher me who say that's our case yes that's our case so what you say aha that's our case because say even any COVID no crown po na season is ending June na ba we are in August now into you enter into a new contract so now Messi and Barca our contract so on base our contract
you have to
because our contract you see June 30
and every June 30
yeah obet free corona we buy calendar no ekwenim so June 30 no koe ama ye season in August calendar we friend send close am here your friend send documents no e kire say June 30 June 30 June near August And now you have a sports lawyer. Cause say Messi a list mistake. I bet my face band. And now you fund. And see if someone you to talk to your friend in Barcelona and find a way out. And for me, I think say bet now. Your friend said 2020-2021 season now by end for him to make that progress. Say and see we are waiting to see. Fingers crossed, more to witness as far as Barcelona and also Lionel Messi are concerned.
Yeah, for WhatsApp message in Ebra 0241520000. I'm sure Sebastian fans move for Lopa because I hate him. Some also say they should let him go and other things. Don't forget he's your football god, Basa. Munya Habutre na Mofa man. I mean, on the business front, Basa will lose a lot when Leo Messi leaves. And I was a team and they put into consideration. I believe they still need to sit down and talk to the player. Because a new coach about now betting me out to Tony Macrana, he must stay because you can't see Kasema, Messi, Emma Basaska. Therefore, you be Anton chance and the performance on the field of playing at the end. And the presence of our team gives Barcelona money, so they need to work on it now. Yeah, chef, our WhatsApp message in Brian Beckine, the Braman. I hope say, oh, Buffy now.
Yeah, see, and chair and a calf. Eddie, your friend is document biba and paper biba Eddie GFA, that's the Ghana Football Association. So, one person munya a vivid confirmation.
So, I go ne
Kotoko Ombeko and deadline day 11th September. And here, and your friend is for Kotoko side and chair, almost some more confirmation, and they will participate. There is nothing shows that.
Also, what shall I go? You can't see you need to come on. Your previous shows in what confirm somebody they are ready. Kotoko say a bit dicey. You say supporting front, and some are saying situation at home is in Quebec and come on money and call,
but Kofi, me statement, me and me sisan, me kasa my tone, my statement, my tune, me the say Kotoko don't deserve to go to Africa. Still, me so, but Omaji opinion say Ombeko. So there is nothing I can do or we can do. Kofo I thought say Kotoko should not go to Africa. And we shall Kotoko go Africa way. For me, the reason why I'm saying say Mamunko. The pressure me can, the unnecessary pressure, by a friend is saying the new CEO and also coach myself could do necessary because the board I set with the appointment of the new CEO, no, the excitement, the jubilation, the best start on the foot of play. The very first day, Kotoko will win, and only be the very first day Kotoko will lose, and only be the attitude of Kotoko fans. And nune edi bibia be pie where I say Kotoko Cecia almost set a new structure. Because Cecia the Ska coach board almost set to Charlie a board with a lot of money. Yeah, Casca Kotoko board way. There is nothing you can write home about with money. Massive money, massive power and Osha Kofi Aban Adia all year proud to Omo Africa, the car Fufro Ediama, the new chief executive officer and also coach. Actually, say, Obene can answer say, when money is calling, you have no option.
You have to respond.
You have to respond. When money and the reason why I'm saying when money is calling, you have no option.
Money is calling, Rama. Money is calling from the board. Money is calling.
America say unnecessary pressure, Baba.
Exactly.
Because say America, what your friend is saying you need to have on the side of the coach and the CEO. Yeah, Mao. And see, you have nothing to say want me exhibit. So pressure no ever back your friend the coach and the CEO when they fail to exhibit. All munana pressure no ever. Until I say when money is calling. You have no option. So when money is calling for chief executive officer and Masakunu, you have no option than to execute superb one for them to know say yes, Scano and yes say you yeah in the right path. And Osha for Kotoko aside say they don't deserve to go to Africa and Nyama down. Osha, you need to assemble a very good personnel, a very good squad. They can compete with the likes of El Ali, Zamalek, the top-notch finance teams, and they be American. Say teams are Kotoko Ebubo mo 18 teams. When you are comparing them to outside African clubs, Kotoko will not come near them. Kotoko will not come even top 10 African, top 10 African country. Kotoko will not come near that top 10. And see, when you are preparing your team, you need to put a massive preparation, not preparation per se, massive one. Kofi, massive, and you come massive, you are going to make a massive impact, not just add up to the numbers and now was our back because you previous campaign, Emma, Kotoko, teams be San Pedro. San Pedro is a team. Na San Pedro ako yi Kotoko efrimu bebre
San Pedro ba da ben San Pedro
na ye bebre ye ndimi nka mo nka samoni Kotoko a na ejebu na o ma ba fie. So this is the time. So Kotoko see o ma jipinya there. This is the time for them because for me I think going there is needless. Unnecessary pressure because your COVID-19 team no preparation you offer. Government see contact sports are close. And you preparation, you training, because I've always say what you do on the field of play, do drona on the training pitch. Sure. 90% on the training pitch. And you training to find a rhythm for the team because you need to find a rhythm, a pattern for your team on the field of play. Normal conjure magic, but up to now, 1 year the pattern of your team to know the kind of tactics are. Or deploy on the field of play, for the very good day, team no beko anymore. How can you perform on the big stage? So and also financially, Kotoko because this is the African Fund Center Club competition without fund without funds because of the COVID-19. And see, Kotoko will stand to lose than gaining. I just say Kotoko bet more Bombardian out the money zone and Bombardian to get to the money zone Kofi and easy because teams are only on Mubebono. Kofi, I was speaking to a former Kraus folk player, and also one opportunity to travel outside. Or see, when the likes of Al Ali, Zamalek are signing, almost score near 2. 1 to compete in Africa and 1 to compete in normal domestic league. And see, when I say they have enough money and also squad also add down because when you want to go find a competition, it depends on your bench. It depends on your bench. And also Justice Blay, Kotoko Besa on Justice Blay, and look at the money you have to Justice Blay. Also the age of Justice Blay, 28. And up to now, as it starts now, it is the signing of Kotoko don't know what they are looking for. And I've always say it's not about signing quantity, it's about quality. In the previous years, Kotoko preferred to go into sign for quantity. Young Abeye, Ebaye, young Edingra, even tactics man ombo total ma Kofi Adani asem obo to na ajago but this is the player yes signing on with Scapudo at the end of the day no amfashi am back Kotoko so Kotoko going to Africa no with Ashgold because even Uba Ashgold they 8-5 players key on a free note eti say amuko signing another players to come in to play with players on down on enti Kofi a bed in the Amada 2 side, a bed in pound. So it's not about signing the quantity, it's about going there to sign the quality. And quality is your quality on quality. Because outside there, no, and easy. Quality. So they know on the field of play. So they say, I sign quality. Quality, what can the quality bring on the field of play for you to achieve on the very good day? So one Kotoko signing for me. If so, share and you say, sign do Debbie. You won't be break Kotoko now signing 10. Now I just 8 call Debbie. This is the time strategic signing the FC to help the team. Lupo say what team no. FC share. They need a good centre back. Centre that one they clear. Oban fin so they need a proper shield. That's DM. Proper defensive because previously Justice Blay, Sister Justice Blay and now for me I was calling for Kayeke. So bet me because Kayeke ball or bomber Karela and also we show the quality or bet one boy Kotoko so or back Kotoko side no so and okay going forward Kotoko need to have a creative midfielder our vision. Yaka vision or bet me aginature accurate passes be a bit more stability your friend say opponent defensive side no because that's what Kotoko need And also, when you sign a quality striker, you need to have your friend say a massive creative midfielder, better creative chances. In football, it's about creative chances for your team to put the ball at the back of net. So Kotoko, yes, but almost on because so you need to go there and make a massive impact. Other than that, all same story.
Solid input. Raman Kubaja, interested. In fact, wonderful analysis there from Raman Kubaja. Then they already have two football. Say do fear that say and you know if fear say Mushiano about it was Kashado. Who say Akoye fear than the Sarakan is why intervention na the Shisha Hey over to today. My GGGBia, my Bobo format in Yakakra. Na Akamwa Makai.
Cover me before I continue about.
Okay.
Candice, oh, share na. Yeah, appreciate what you are doing. Ramani, you are massive. Fabibia, Tunami, God, definitely, your life will never be the same. So, and you're consistent for you. When you do that, your life will never be the same. So, Candice, big up.
Okay. Candice, big up.
Receive from one or the Shabu until was another one bobby dear. It's a Babodi. I see Oho Raman Kubaja. When I not coffee J. James and a production worker. We did the coffee. Mason Okran, the Black Kofa numbers, and I feel Julie Henry for Michael and Asante. I'm going to be settled or moving a boy. Yamiti in Choya Cram.